Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Subaru Legacy. Start by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and letting the engine cool for a few minutes. Gather oil, filter, wrench, drain pan, funnel, and gloves. Wear protective gear and have rags ready for spills. Check your owner manual for oil type and capacity, then follow the steps to drain, replace the filter, refill, and check levels carefully. Begin by locating the drain plug under the car and sliding the drain pan under it. Use the correct wrench to loosen and remove the plug, then step back while oil drains fully into the pan. After draining, move the pan and unscrew the old oil filter. Expect some residual oil to spill, so tilt the filter away from components. Inspect the filter mounting surface for the old gasket before installing the new filter. Apply a light coat of fresh oil to the new filter gasket, then hand thread the filter until snug. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten securely to the recommended torque. Use a funnel to add the correct type and amount of oil through the filler cap, then wait a minute and check the dipstick for the proper level. Start the engine briefly and inspect for leaks, then recheck the oil level and adjust if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.